in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
So in that case, Council, there's a need, really, there's indeed a need to clarify this matter from the region. What the region has done to rectify the error. Because we know now that Timberland cannot be titled, but there are processing para kesa to, Timberland and Respite titled, also in Tabanay titled. What has the region or the head office of the DNR has done to rectify this error? Na may decision, dihitabo na report, and the people should know what the DNR has done about this decision making. This will create big trouble sa atong traffic societies. Ika ng anis, balitan nila otro, kami anis, jangan tayo mo yun, medituan, magubot na po yung otro. We don't want to happen, we don't want that to happen in our city. So, we will need to invite the region para to signify what has the region did or has done to correct the error being done na naitibar lang na dito one. Actually, it's a serious issue. It involves a government agency whose mandate is to protect the interests of the government, to protect the interests of the property owners, property. Yun ay property owners, how can the government protect na illegal man, pay matitulo? Ngayon na ito why was this happening in a city? This event, that's like this thing. Pasti ako dapat tayo kung ito lang di ba? It's like Spanish. So, we need to dig further into this organization. And now, as the other issuers of the before we allow our members of the society to ask questions to verify an issue.
Okay.
Kenapa lain Profesor Lang?
Yeah.
Ini kan kayak di kulit should ask questions to whoever.
Mr. Hernandez, moderator.
Honorable Chair, our senior officer wishes to render his statement.
Please, Professor, kami allow.
Before we acknowledge Mr. The request from your office to please give us the summary report ahatong Timberland as in your office ba?
Yes, we will do that, Honorable Chair.
With the map, can you please submit that to our secretary?
Yes, Honorable Chair, we can do that, but we have to specify those lots that we are going to project in our classification map.
Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
So, we need our senior officer. This is against the DNR. The DNR senior officer also established officer.
Give a border clarification on the statement of my colleague.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon, everyone. To the distinguished members of this Honorable August Body. I am Dennis Ihuab, the current OIC Senior Officer of Senior Osami City. Pasensya lang kamay, no? Kaya maragkaroon ako misulti, maragkuhan kay Bagor mo kung na stroke pa.
Yes, sir.
So, the more na mo sulti ko, pabasik.
Matalman
Kaya
na.
lang akong sariyan. But anyway, siguro, ako lang klaro, siguro, Madam Chair, ang members of this honorable body. Kanang title na atong isutan are issued in 1980s and 1970s. So, at that time, hindi pa na-DNR siya. Kuhan pa na siya kanang Bureau of Lands. So, we don't have any personal knowledge what happened during those time. Ang anong kini ng mga kuhan, kini ng mga yuta, nakimbernan sa kanon mga kita na hindi sa pwede yung tama init. It cannot be title. So, give me kasulti, what has transpired during those times, and ako lang iklaro na ang processing sa title is within the level sa kwan lang. Kung saan mo karon, sa sindro, sa pinro lang, wala yung labot o regional office. Pero ang sa una kay, ang organisasyon lang pa sa isakto sa una is naman kay, gitawag na ito, Bureau of Lands. Kasi na magpasi sa una, hindi kayo po na bawapos sa regional office. So, inalaan siguro, pero kung if the City Council wish to have the copy of the land classification of this subject ng Luti, nag-alis na ito na party Merlan. Perhaps we have some product numbers. Ang ako lang na basig na pamuminahin dyan ng mga pagka di man mo na ito mahurot kasi tanan ang atong mga kadastrolas na matanaw na ito ka dito na kini siya para siya kaya natimulan kini. So, paano ibali kasi o gagawin na pa niya ng mga na kanang malutig na ibawa ninyo kasi pwede lang ito labis ng mga barangay siguro kasi pwede ba natin siya ma-supplement ang among kadita para ito kanang tubaligid kung kini na area ba is para kanang kaya ang ito karong subject pa lang katulasan ang sunyo o katong diri kang paris karyon. Kung katong dito sa subject sa kaso. Kailangan lang akong informasyon na panghatag inyo ang Madam Chair at the members of the council. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sir Dennis. Wow. Actually, sir, the documents listing this office of the council. Dinar na. Pag na-dinar, wala Bureau of Lands. Ang Bureau of Lands sa mga to. Pag na-dinar, wala ang Bureau of Lands.
Yes, sir.
Kaya kung dinar ni sir.
In
In fact, we have these documents titled na ang issue, 700 kililan, Pinro.
Kaya sa dinar na siya.
Dinar na.
Oh, dinar na yan.
Bureau of Lands.
Yes.
So we are now speaking of titles issued by the Dinar, not Bureau of Lands. Para mas-verify ba? Kasi mali bumalaw.
Yes.
The titles from issued by the Dinar, not Bureau of Lands. So, the argument says, and titles issued by the Pinro. So, and you also, in previous also to the Pinro, and we also have the Pinro, but others in that.
Do we have any representative from the Benro?
Do you have a Pinro?
Okay, sir. You are now challenged for the chair, the representative from the Benro, to shed light on this particular matter.
Yes, Madam Chair, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. To give you the background how this issue came about. This is all about the cadastral survey conducted sometime in 1980s, 1980s. So, pag-conduct sa cadastral survey, doon na lang siya yung mga lote-lote na namutan na po cadastral lot number. So, usahan katong lote na na-mention dito sa San Antonio o katong lote na na-mention dito sa Katamban. Ang basis pag-issue of title, is first i-verify na siya sa atong land classification map. Kanang land classification map, din na makita kung ang imong ga-applyan na yuta naa sa timberland or naa sa E&D. So sa dimension ni Mr. Roa kanina, nga katong mga titles nga na-mention, na-issue to sometime in 1970s, no? During the time of the katong defunct Bureau of Lands. So wala minali sa about ato, how those titles were issued. Eh wala, in fact, basigili pa may empleyado na or may eskwela pa may. Pero katong dimension ni Kagawad Mars na doon ay title na napirmahan ni Den Pedro Quililan, kato siya na time DNR na to. So kato ang pwede tanaw na to o naunsa to nganong na-issue ang title na to. So sa nakita na mo, kay ang timberland area, di magina siya pwede isyuhan o title. So pwede mo initiate upon the request or file o complaint ang somebody else for the cancellation of the title. So motong gihimo ni Mr. Harold Sevilla because of that letter coming from katong taga San Antonio, nagkandak siya og investigation. Ang purpose ato nga investigation is for possible reversion or filing of the reversion case to the office of Soljin. Soljin ang represent sa DNR, pero sa court na siya i-entertain. Ma-revert to siya ng title back to public land or timberland. Kaya cancel man. So karon ang katong ilandak na investigation ni Mr. Sevilla, nasabit na ang report tuwa na karon sa regional office for review. So after ma-review to sa regional office, kung tanaw nila nga sufficiently ang grounds for the reversion or cancellation, motong ilang i-file sa Solicitor General. Aron ang Solicitor General may file sa korte for the cancellation or reversion of the title. So as of this moment, ang report ni Mr. Harold Sevilla na apa sa regional office, gi-review pa siguro to kay isubmit ni Mr. Sevilla sometime in May of this year, April of this year. So after ito siya ma-review, mag-expect action sa regional office. Pero as to who are the culprits na na-issue ang title, katong titles issued after 1988, ang ato ng office ato ang responsible sa issuance sa title ng DNR. Pero katong 1988 daw, so katong Bureau of Lands, so wala kami kabalo kung ano na-issue ang mga titles ato. But one thing for sure, ang timberland areas, dili gyud pwede isyuhan o titulo. Diba? Kaya atong lands of the public domain are classified into 4 major classifications. Namely, ang national park, ang mineral land, ang inedible and disposable or agricultural land, o ang timberland. So being katong classification is timberland, dili dito siya pwede i-process for issuance of title. So moto karon ang grounds na to for the possible reversion or reclassification sa rejection of the title. I think that's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sir Hernandez. Pero Sir, na-verify kami ni Sir, ang pagkalo, we are aware that his title is now under execution for a dinner na issue. di na kay broadcast o ano pa ang broadcast. Di na issue. So, we now open the floor to my colleagues for any clarifications on them.
Okay, the floor is
May we have honorable Ciso on them.
the floor is open for some clarification. The Honorable Suizo, you are the
Thank you very much, Madam Chair and the Majority Floor Leader. I have one question for the Penlo, Madam Chair, if I
Okay,
can.
go ahead.
Thank you. Sir, you have mentioned ang ano-anong sitwasyon karon because it saddens us na ang ginaabot na kinahanglan mag-ebekta sa ato mga residente because una, si Sheriff Pangilinan kinahanglan niya i-execute ang motion for execution kay iyang mandate. Kinahanglan niya ni Trabaho kay Sakul Amat ayon ang Caldero. Now, here comes the DNR and ingon nga dapat chances for revert because the Solicitor General will represent the DNR para ma-reverse tong i-classify ka title regulation. But, kinahanglan mag-gipod si Sheriff Pangilinan na mag-ibig. Naman siya timeline, guidelines nga gihulat. At then si DNR kinahanglan ng 30 days na review ni Red kay Unta at tuon na ng 2020 na submit ni Mr. Sibilia dahil lang nalupitan na wala na it could be a new discovery na pwede dili Unta na mga padayon ang motion for execution kay Tribunal na nainig na naman ito nilihatag so that could be pero nahuman na naman so ang gusto lang dito sa San Antonio nga, pwede ma-delay ang demolition buying us time. How can we resolve this conflict, sir? Pretty sure, si Sheriff, kinahanglan lang din magkaibig. Tapos si Solicitor General takes time for them to really reverse kung naamang isabing to reverse because...
Yes, ma'am, take care. As to katong i-effect ang eviction sa San Antonio, ang DNR is wala ni role, wala participation. Ang only participation of the DNR is for us to conduct investigation, separate investigation, tayo recommend to the Regional Executive Director, eventually to the Office of the Solicitor General, recommend for the cancellation or reversion of that item. Pero as to the katong injection or eviction, di pwede makaparticipate sa kanak na action sa content.
So, Mogyo, you have heard from Leader kami po siguro, Madam Chair, I would just wish to be enlightened regarding this dilemma that we are facing right now. In as much as we wanted to address the concerns sa San Antonio, na dili sa unta sila pending, but because naamod tayo na-follow po ng mga timelines na kinahanglan yung po na-execute, so I wish to know kung sa itong available remedies na pwede na ito nga mahatag para kay, nakita natin yung future scenario ni Madam Chair is kung mag-evict na si Sheriff nila, mapapahawa, and then here comes the reversion of the title na Timberland Teresia, I don't think pwede na mo makabalik. Timberland naman siya, di ka siya pwede-pwede na. So, I don't know what would be the next Mr. Chair if who would answer this.
I think it's always that to provide legal remedy sa mga parties nga na business, no? Kaya may remedy nga sa court na tayo road court na mga remedies nga dihatag kung si Baton, no? Mapilis ka sa road court, pwede mapilan. Pwede na kapilan ang remedy na ngayon. At sa mga pwede, sa Supreme Court, ito, isa lang yung kasi pero saan lang na nung mga kaso, walang kapilan, kay final superior. So it should be executed by the Senate. Yan ang trabaho. Ginagawa po ng Senate na inayaman ng trabaho. Siya kumakaw ng trabaho. Tulong din kami doon. Isinanipin ito performance function na sila. So ginagawa ang may Senate masadon. kasi matuparin ang sunod kasi timeline. Kung hindi, isa rin ang hindi. Although, ang din ang nagpapala ng picture, kung sila himon, na-report, natagal sila sa region, action. In the meantime, ang bitang makuro ni ano sila, kailangan na ibig, ay masama ko na ibulan ng bulan. Para litawan nila, masama ko. So we don't want this to happen. We will really invite the region director or the assistant director para mag-reply kung sa ilang action. O we can invite we can invite the secretary, di na. Ano na rin mga tilas na so, we could be so much so we now prepare to other ways for their decisions.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, everyone. For this instruction with everyone, Madam Chair, we invite the region to enlighten us who can decide this matter for the benefit of everyone. Thank you.
Noting your registration, Honorable.
Pagkas de manifestation of Honorable Milal, and we see tayo right director of the state director of the should come to different about serious abuses against the data tao na ilang Alira, ito sa iyo na pinag-iwan. So, tao na nila rin. You can bring part of the Senate or the President or the Congress. You can have spoken to bring this Congress. So, in the meantime, it actually depends anong nakikita mo na yun. Because kung ando, may finish Congress, ano mga subsidies yung area ay mga criminals or lads yan councilman na natutulungan which against the law. So, alam siya sa namin, hindi naman may natutulong. So, we will be able to invite the director I asked if that later on, sir.
Yes, we visit the schedule.
We will see the schedule graphs. We give time to the director graphs next month. Today is May.
Today is May
May 9.
9. Because we cannot resolve this matter, but at least
We'll be going to Karamigin
the regional director.
First week of June.
First week of June, that will be on June 6.
Para kaya ito fair play ang bilang kaya itong pala kinura sino
Balik na po. Balik.
and this version na literally yung bigyan nila as an agency ang mga tao sa Chinese matigala na nabi ko agency na din na nagtulong sila kakilala na din na Mr. Secretary, pwede regional. O pwede sa office, nila, secretary. Ikanas, kung ano, literal. Secretary, kasi na constitution father, decision of the So, thank you for that. Thank you. I will is questions.
Because we were able to that at least process of many matrices of the regional. Dahil sa ini update of the regulation from member of the body, Attorney, you may reserve your question of clarification on June 6. June 6. Because we will have again meeting on June. So we need on June 6. Hopefully. And of course, hoping that the regional director will be around.
We just know in advance from the Pinto or when I said Fernandez, is it possible ang Agnes sa Osamis o Pest Distribution? Is it possible?
Is it possible, sir? Okay, na ba siya? Okay, thank you for your information. So, hopefully, we will invite our DNR.
Assistant sa Pinto also, communicate with the office na to convince the region na muali na natin o yung assistant para mag-verify ng issue. Serious issue. So, Sir Fernandez, you help us of the region service to assist us that the region will come to succeed to explain further. Ilan na mo, our representative will now explain. Thank you, Senator. Thank you.
So, we are hoping that our regional director will be around to shed light on this present predicament that we have now. Everything is not
Because in the region of Milacam, we got request a commission to file a social grants in Secretary. So the Secretary of the so the commission in Secretary, ay biglang chance na nagagawa. This is national issue. So, tayo wala sa kanya, sino wala tayo, alam naman kailangan gawin pa. So, mapiglan pindo, mapiglan sino. Madako na issue. So, we asya ang sino sabi sa pindo, natabangin ngayon, at ang resulta, sabi sila, at ang resulta, hindi mo resulta, amo yung ako sa kami, sa mga sirit. Kaya sirit mo, ulit ito, kami sa ito, na this will be indicated by sirit or kami. So, wala ko na sirit sa ilan, wala. So, muna si Hernandez na kami, kami kami karoon. Batiin mo na ako na issue. Thank you very much. Dapat ay question sa police, no sir?
there any manifestation from our colleagues to the voices and clarifications towards the issue?
I think there is none. No more. Pernah lagi. Bisa. So, ang hindi kita tahu kan, atau saya juga dengan aksesnya. Okay. Kembali saja. Ini minta sambung amat habis. Kita akan apa atau mana bisnis. Ini betul apa tahu. So, saya aku ya religious, aku ya economic special. So, saya bersalah. So, we need to really invite the region for the back. Kay udah boleh, we post to make speak. We are saying to speak. Kami sudah speak terus.
Thank you.
So, if there are more questions for this, ngapain lain sore? Kami mulu, kami ikut.
Kenapa question Sulti?
Bisa official. So, secret kita dapat secret.
Yes, sir. Yeah, next question is the Shuray.
Your Honor, hindi can indulgence of this committee, Your Honor. May I know, Your Honor, when is the nearest possible time, Your Honor, that I will get the approval or the result?
June 6.
Ano po sir, I'm fine.
Yes.
This is a good committee hearing the whole. So, well, committee report, and then by the committee report will now make action to approve, for example, the request. But probably, wala may nakita akong problema para approve with the request. It's a matter of time. So, we'll see to continue our solution by any man approve the request.
Thank you so
Ang
much.
mga kailangan, wala niyong lakas sa ito tao na ikam dyan, wala niyong na, ang mga kailangan, tubot ng mga kawasalis sa Antonio, ang barangay Tamanabay, ang Anis, muna ang kailangan sa ito ay understand. Sa mga tao, di ka nga kailangan. Although you are pressure, by practice na, ito ang tao, but now, di ka understand. Ini mo na kaya siya you're bound by the law, the ordinance and the law. So, yes, sure, we have in due time. Kaya, next week, kami in RAN, my support and but we'll try to assist next week, as we can now handle the request.
Yes, sir. The inquiry is only for the purpose of my reporting and documentation, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay.
So in other sinodero, susote, pwede ito lang, sinod lang. Yung mga mo, for the record, okay, this hearings is record. This can be aligned with the court. No? Can aligned with the court. So, ano ba ito na? Pwede bisa. Yung mo, probabilidad na mga pulo ng mga kasakit. Di na nabutas sa itong kasuporte, mga ito. Di na nabi ito. Di na mga ibig. Wala na. Wala na. I think it's more also just have to thank our visitors from the Lina, our Pindro, and others, Mrs. Julia, and also the officials from the Barangay Antonio, Barangay Tamanabay, Barangay Lopan, and my companies for experiencing the time, and also the scholars, residents of Antonio, and Tamanabay for experiencing the time to come to the hearing para ma-assess ang Chief Council kung saan aming baton. As soon as we have our plenary officials, we can now recommend solutions for any decision that could answer the problem of the in the meantime, we are visual solution.
Okay, before we wind up, the chair would like again to say thank you so much. We appreciate your attendance this afternoon for the time that you share with us. Salamat kayo in your active participation to our guests this afternoon. And hoping that for the next meeting that we may have, we will be able to resolve all these mga inagmay ng mga concerns, no? Especially barangay Katanman, San Antonio, Carmen Anis, Calabang. Thank you so much for your first mga barangay officials, for giving us time and having Thank you.
They will see you on June 6.
June 6, will you be available? Doon na ba yung mga reactions to our scheduled next committee hearing? At the same time.
Ang City Council sa region, nga mga nigad,
Oh.
aron, mo dipinsa sa Kulingon, di dipinsa, aton daon sa Congress, aton na sa Senate. Kaya, serious mo na, di man ka na, timulan na, tituluhan. This is a national issue, no, sir? National issue. Thank you.
Okay, salamat, Majority Floor Leader. Considering that we don't have any more matters to be discussed, the chair declares
Longer
adjourned.
get the available time, sir, so I move to adjourn the hearing of the committee.
Committee hearing of the whole is now adjourned.